Hey guys, this is Aaron from the parts department of Classic Harley-Davidson. Riding season's getting close upon us. Just wanted to show you some new stuff that has come out this year for all of you guys and gals that like to service your own bike and do tune-ups to your own bikes. What we have this year that came out is we have a tune-up kit for the twin cams, which comes with 5 quarts of oil, 2 quarts of transmission fluid, your oil filter, 2 spark plugs, and you get the service O-ring kit. Now, as you're changing your spark plugs, you might want to check spark plug wires. If you need new spark plug wires, we have those in stock as well. Whether it be from Screaming Eagle or standard stock, we can hook you up with either or, whatever your preference may be. We also have a kit for the M8s as well. That comes with 2 quarts of the 8140 transmission fluid, 5 quarts of oil filter. Also now comes with 4 spark plugs because the M8 carries 4 spark plugs. A lot of y'all don't know that. And also the same service O-ring kit. What we have, like I said, is each box is individually marked. We'll tell you exactly what you're looking for and what color filter you want, whether it be chrome or in black. So please be sure to come on out and ask us about them, and we will be more than happy to help you out and sell you what you need.